Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the best all butter pastry crust. Alright, this is so amazingly delicious. These are the list of the ingredients that we will be using, and they will also be in the description box along with the measurements. Here I have some all-purpose flour. I also have some chilled butter, salt, and some sugar. So we'll be adding the sugar and the salt to the flour, and I'll be using a whisk and whisk everything in together. Then I'll be placing the flour mixture into the food processor. Then our next step is adding the chilled butter. Now this food processor is going to make our lives so much easier. Then we'll pulse this until it resembles fine breadcrumbs, and I'll show you what this looks like. Absolutely amazing. And then we're going to pour this out into a nice clean bowl, and you can already see, guys, how buttery the flour is here. All right, looks awesome. And this is a little test I do. Yep, that is going to be crummy and buttery and super delicious. So here I'm adding my water, and make sure you use the cold water, just a little bit at a time. And as I mentioned, the correct measurements will be in the description box. All right, we're going to make sure to pull everything together nicely. So I usually would divide the dough in two. All right, I'll place this in a saran wrap, just like that. And that is the measurement, guys, of the ingredients that I used there. And let that chill in the refrigerator. And this is what I made. This is my amazing peach cobbler, a must try. All right, so there it is, and I hope you guys check the recipe out. If you guys are new here again, I would encourage you to please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Guys, have a blessed day. Bye-bye.